New construction options. Building. Construction complete. Cannot deploy here. New construction
Barracks
options.
first.
Building. Construction complete.
Refinery.
New construction
Oh.
options.
Rockets over
Building.
peas.
On hold.
Actually, I don't know where he is. Oh, don't stay there.
Unit
Get out.
ready. Building. Unit ready.
There he is.
Building. Construction complete. Unit ready. New construction options. Building. Unit ready.
Easy.
Construction complete. Building.
So what's gonna happen? He's gonna
Unit
chase me?
ready. Building. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready.
I think he's trying to scout me
Construction complete.
with a detour.
Unit ready.
Go, go, go. Get him.
Building. Building. Unit ready. Unit ready.
That is dead.
Building. Unit ready. Building. Unit ready.
It's very annoying. Gas-free vision here. But okay. It's a lot of minerals here. It's very nice.
Building.
Got enough money to stock with. This map is a rich map.
Unit ready.
I need to see him though.
Construction complete. New construction options. Building.
Scout.
Unit ready.
Build
Building.
this. Another refinery, because I'm greedy.
Building. Unit ready.
Oh wow, look at this.
Building. Insufficient funds.
Interesting.
Construction complete. Unit ready.
Is he gonna just attack me with those? Green deer. I don't think he's attacking, right?
Unit ready. Building.
No way he's attacking with so little units.
Unit ready.
He's actually trying to do it.
Unit ready. Building.
Oh, what? Haha! That's interesting. I'm surprised by that.
Unit ready.
Did not expect that.
Building.
Nonetheless, we're gonna try to pull it off. Capture his construction yard. See if it's possible.
Building. Building.
We're gonna run 2 APCs in, so it doesn't know which one to target down.
Unit ready.
And basically, we have better economy, right? Oh my god, he's going for air units.
Building.
Interesting, very interesting.
Unit
So I think I'm gonna do.
ready. Unit ready.
I'm gonna go tech up as well. What was that?
Unit ready. Building. On hold.
Do I have any
Cancelled.
like anti-air? Oh, did he see me?
Unit ready.
I think he sees me.
Building.
Yeah.
Insufficient funds.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Acknowledged. Vehicle report acknowledged. Waiting order. Moving out. Affirmative. Affirmative. Reporting.
Getting there.
Waiting order.
New construction.
Oh, he sold everything.
Got it. Ready and waiting. Affirmative.
Unit ready.
Affirmative. Acknowledged. Yes, you got it.
Construction complete. New
There you go.
construction options.
Because that's a lot of damage there. A lot of damage.
Cannot deploy here. Building. On hold.
Very
Cancel.
sneaky.
Building. Construction
Hmm.
complete. Unit ready.
Right away, sir. Affirmative.
Building.
I don't have enough anti-air.
Unit ready. Building.
Actually, he has only
Unable
two
to
helicopters,
respond. Building in progress.
Yes, right away, sir.
so
Unit
it's
ready.
actually not enough to do anything.
Building.
Sir.
Unit ready. Building.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Ready and waiting. Acknowledged.
Unit
It's a little bit
ready.
slow.
Affirmative.
Construction complete. Building. On hold.
Reporting.
Cancelled.
Roger. You
Oh
got it.
well,
Building.
we can just push at this
Unit
point.
ready.
He's building high-tech units, but I don't think it works.
Got it.
Unit ready. Building.
Get more
Building.
barracks because I need faster production.
Unit ready. Building. Unit
Yes, sir.
ready. Construction complete.
Acknowledged.
Well, that's easy.
Unit ready.
Acknowledged. Moving out.
Okay,
Mission accomplished.
got him. The best GDI counter to bikes. The best counter is to protect your harvester with rocket soldier and tanks. Just turtle up, don't go too far, and slowly you can use the sandbag to crawl your base and build static defense on near other minerals on the map. That's another solution. But basically, try not to lose unnecessary fights. Just don't engage them. Just turtle up, defend, and build up tanks. But it's very difficult, a very tricky thing to do. I don't know. I've had some success with this turtle build, but it needs more games to be proven. Anyway,